Emphasis on worker safety has become a huge trend, especially in environments where there is physical labor involved. A large workforce, which requires coordination on projects, needs optimal communication in order to optimize efficiency as well as safety. While a durable handheld two-way radio allows for instant communication, it's the accessories which allow for a hands-free work environment. Some of these accessories include antennas, batteries, belt clips, cases, chargers, earpieces, and speaker microphones. The ability to communicate from a distance without the need to remove the handheld from your hip is one example of the value which these accessories provide. With that said, Two-Way Direct offers a variety of accessories for all of the two-way radio devices which we offer, and at the lowest prices guaranteed. Support your team and preserve your communications by purchasing accessories to work with your handhelds. For more information on which add-ons would provide the most value to your team, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will reach out to you.